Right now, the former DeKalb County school superintendent is out on bond after being arrested over the weekend on an assault charge. A judge granted Dr. Devon Horton bond yesterday, but with several special conditions. Prosecutors say Horton grabbed his wife by the neck during an argument on Saturday, choking her in front of their 5-year-old child. 11 Live's Grace King has more on what Horton's attorney and his wife had to say.
He's not a violent person. I just feel like he is under a lot of stress, and I would just be so thankful if you would grant him bonds.
On Monday, Devon Horton's wife asked the judge to let her husband come home.
Even in the moment that things were escalating, I was never fearful for my life. My children were never in danger.
Arrest warrants allege Horton's 5-year-old saw his dad choke his mom and push her towards a wall. The wife had no visible injuries, but told authorities she felt like she would faint.
And whenever you're talking about allegations of putting your hands around someone's neck, that offers a lot of concern. It does not take much pressure before something worse can happen.
Magistrate Court Judge Jarek Johnson Gage factored that concern into his decision. He granted Horton a $25,000 bond, but with a no physical contact provision.
A victim can say, I don't want to move forward, I don't want to press charges, I want this whole thing thrown out, but that's not dispositive.
Criminal defense attorney Devon Horton, who isn't involved in this case, says the judge has to decide whether possible risks outweigh the victim's wishes. Prosecutors, not the wife, will decide whether the case moves forward.
It's ultimately up to the DA's office, the prosecutors, on whether or not they want to move forward or if they want to sort of grant the victim's wishes and just dismiss the case.
Grace King, 11 Alive News.
Grace also